You say, well, what is the day of the Lord and when does the day of the Lord happen? The day of the Lord is the day of restitution and the day of judgment at the same moment. It's where God judges the ungodly, but he restores his people in one moment. And you got to be aware that when it comes, it may not look pretty because it may not be the way you think it ought to be. So you may think it's another pandemic. He said, but you got to be careful because when the day of the Lord comes, it's not only a day of judgment, but it's also a day of restitution and restoration. We got to remember what happened when COVID happened, because we got to remember it, because the next time something shows up, it's going to be far worse than what COVID was.